Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2014 LX 570. The Lexus LX 570 is a destination in itself. This luxury SUV is where fortress meets sanctuary, with its 5.7-liter V8 engine churning out an impressive 403 pounds of torque and an interior that puts comfort and convenience first, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.